I made more than $3,000 just by uploading pictures, and today I'm revealing this incredible side hustle that has become my favorite. Imagine spending just 2 hours a day and turning that into a steady stream of passive income. Stick around until the end to discover how you can use several AI tools to turn a single image into multiple streams of income. But before we dive in, let's verify the legitimacy of the website we're using. We'll check the scam rate on Scam Advisor to confirm it's 100% trustworthy. You'll see it's completely legit, so you can work confidently without any scam worries. First, let's create an account on Adobe Stock so we can start selling our art, illustrations, images, and videos. Go to stockadobe.com, click on Sell, then Join, and create your account. Once your account is created, your dashboard will look like this. When you go to the Insights section, you'll see the top recent sellers. These are the sellers whose pictures have been sold the most recently. You can see that this seller has over 250,000 downloads. Adobe Stock contributors typically earn between 20% to 60%, which translates to anywhere from $0.33 to $3.30 per download, depending on the type of subscription and the contributor's rank. Let's take a conservative scenario with a flat rate of $0.33 per download under a standard license. If all 250,000 downloads were under this standard license with a $0.33 payout per download, you would earn approximately $82,500. If the per download rate is higher, like $0.99, or if there are any downloads under an extended license, then the earnings would be higher accordingly. Now you can see how you can easily make passive income with a little effort, like I did in the last 2 months. From the top, you can change the dates and check trends over time. But for now, let's look at the most recent time period. Here, you can see the top illustrations, photos, and vectors. For now, I'll proceed with images. Let's start exploring the top-selling and trendy images. After scrolling through some images and accounts, I chose this image. First, let's see how you can create a direct image using your sample image. Go to Leonardo AI and sign up with Google. After that, click on Image Generation, then on the stars icon, and then Describe with AI. Upload your image, and the magic will begin to happen. After a few seconds, it will auto-generate a prompt, and using this prompt, you can create an image. First, I'll select cinematic style from the presets and a 16:9 ratio from the image dimensions. Click on the Generate button, and after a few seconds, the results will be shown. You can choose any of the 4 variations. If you don't like the results, try using the ChatGPT prompt to see if you get better results, like mine. Once you finalize the image, the next thing we need to do is enhance its quality and resolution. Go to the website I think is the best for upscaling your images. It's 100% free. You can also check the before and after results available on the website, and it's really amazing. Now, you might be wondering why we need to upscale when we can use the image as is. Well, I'll give you the answer with proof. Now, the time for the most amazing tool I always use for generating images is 100% free and has no limits on the number of generations. It offers a wide range of models you can use at no cost and can create images beyond your expectations. I think this AI tool deserves its own dedicated video. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. One more thing to note is that this AI tool uses your computer's GPU, so make sure you have it installed. I've added the website link in the description, so be sure to check it out. When you visit the link, the website will look like this. Click the play button, and it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to load. Be patient. Once it's loaded, scroll down, and you'll find 2 links. Click on Running on Public URL, which will open a new tab with the dashboard. On the dashboard, click the Advanced button to reveal more tools. You can select your aspect ratio, the number of images, and add your prompt. It will take some time to generate the images, but the results are so realistic that I believe this AI tool surpasses all other image generation tools. With this AI tool, you can create illustrations and images. So what are you thinking? Start generating the images and upload them. Once you're happy with the image, you can download it and enhance its quality using the same AI tool. Once done, come back to the website stock.adobe.com and start uploading the images. After the image is uploaded, select image type, category, and make sure to check the AI-generated image box. Give it a title and select the keywords related to your image. Click on Submit and check mark both boxes. Fill CAPTCHA, and you are done. Now, when anyone will download your image, you will get a percentage of it. Just upload the image, and even while you are sleeping, the passive income will be generated for you. Now, the pro tip is, you can upload and sell the same image on various stock platforms, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, Alamy, Dreamstime, Deposit Photos, A123RF, Pond5, and others, as different platforms cater to diverse audiences and have varying market reaches. If you are still thinking or have any question in mind, leave a comment below. I'll try my best to help you. And at the end, I'll say, just give it a shot, motivate yourself, and commit to it for at least 2 to 3 months. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. See you in the next video.